Hello, this is Maria from mathmammoth.com. In this video, we're going to look at dilations in the coordinate grid. Since in a dilation, all distances are multiplied by the scale factor, the horizontal and vertical distances are too, and that makes it very easy then to calculate coordinates of the points under a dilation when the center point is the origin. Both the x and y coordinate of each point are simply multiplied by the scale factor. Let's look at an example. Notice how the vertices of this triangle, for example, this vertex here is at 3, 0. Then we have this one at 4, 2. And I'm gonna move this center point, the origin. Then we're gonna dilate the triangle. And let's say that I will do exactly 200% or scale factor 2. So now it is dilated at 200% or scale factor 2. And notice how this vertex that used to be 3, 0 is now 6, 0. This one here was 4, 2. It's gone over there, so it is 8, 4. And this one also, the x and y coordinates have doubled. Now let's do the same and shrink it. The center point of the dilation is still here at the origin. And I'm going to use scale factor 2/3 now, or 66.67%. And so now, this used to be 3, 0. It becomes 2, 0. Exactly 2/3. The coordinates are now 2/3 of the original coordinates. The same happens with these ones and these ones, but the coordinates of those points are fractional. They don't fall exactly at the grid line, so it's not as easy to see. But this is a really handy technique. Now let's look at the dilation that doesn't happen from the origin and see how the coordinates of the points can be calculated even in that case. Here I have a purple triangle. I'm gonna dilate it from this vertex of the triangle itself. Let's use the scale factor of 1/3. What's gonna happen? If this is the center point of the dilation, what I can do is I will look at the horizontal and vertical distances from this center point and the other vertices. So this particular vertex is exactly 3 units from the center point of the dilation. And if I'm using scale factor 1/3, then it becomes just 1 unit. So it will move here. And then let's look at this point here. It is 1, 2, 3 units down and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units to the left. In the dilated triangle, it will only be 1/3 of those amounts, 1/3 of the vertical distance and 1/3 of the horizontal distance. So it will be just 1 unit down and 2 units to the left, right there. So now we have these 3 points, this, and this. So I could try to draw the triangle. It is so much smaller. Or we can also double check and do it with the program. And so you see the purple triangle now matches what I drew myself. Okay, and lastly, I have just a little exercise for you here with the quadrilaterals that you see here. We have an orange one and a pink one, and the orange one is a dilated version of the pink. My question is, what is the scale factor and where is the center point of the dilation? The orange one is smaller than the pink, right? So the scale factor is less than 1. But how much less? Look at the distances. From this point here to here was 5 units. This 5 units became 3 units. So therefore, the scale factor is 3/5 or 0.6. And then where is the center of dilation? It's pretty easy this time because we can see one point that did not move anywhere. It's this vertex here, stayed the same. So therefore, that is the center of the dilation. Okay, we're all done with this lesson.